Okay, so I traced this thing the whole way back, and I had two of these valves, and you can see this side says motor on it. One of these, this one works as a check valve right here, but also as a pressure sensor. That's me blowing through it from this end. I can't blow into this end. So this looks like a good one, right? This one right here doesn't seem to work. This is the motor side, so I'm going to blow into this side. Blows right through. So that means that the motor can blow back this way. Now let me try the other way. And there's a little bit of resistance. So it seems like they both probably perform the same function, but this one will not let air go back the wrong way. This one will. They both seem to be, hold some type of pressure when air is going that way. Anyway, I'd have to look at my pictures to see if they were installed correctly, but I just removed all this hose right here. It was actually coming out the front here, through here, and then you can see where this electrical tape was. It was wrapped up here where that valve was. Clearly not factory. Don't know why it was there. I just figured let's get both of them out of the way for now, because I'm trying to make sure that I get the fuel stink out of my trunk. But I don't have a clamp on here yet, but I figured this old cloth hose is probably perfect for this job of just simply making sure vapors go to the charcoal canister. Vacuum from the engine is coming up here. Yeah, maybe a little bit more extension on this would be nice, but for now I think that'll do the job. Just simplify the whole connection. I do believe that I checked pretty well to make sure that this is connected down there. You can see the hose moving, but I remember when Jason and I installed, I think that AAV valve connection thing, it had a crack in it, so that's why we got the zip ties on there. But in any case, now what I want to do is get underneath the car and show you where this line right here that comes up over the frame and then down in this body section, not one of these fuel supplier return lines, but it comes down here. Now when I go underneath the car, I don't know if we'll be able to see because of the lack of light on this video, but let's see. The lines, well, in any case, all right, let me scoot up here. So I can see that the two inside lines are the fuel supply and return, and this rusty one here that goes up into the engine bay, this one that runs along the outside of the car next to the brake line is the vent line, right? So outside, and it's rusty. All right, now let's get underneath the back of the car and see what we got back here. So now there's a black hard line coming out of the tank in the back, and so here's our rusty crusty line right here, right? Comes up here, goes into some rusty crusty line that zigzags over this way, and then let's see if I get this in the video, then connects to some hose, and then finally connects to the black plastic line. Now that black plastic line is visible up in the trunk, and you can see that, well, that's electrical line that goes in there, but this line right here comes off the top of the tank where the vapors would be, and it goes down, and I'm pretty sure that is the line. I don't see any valves on it now, so what I'm hoping is that now that I've got the valves gone, and since maybe they were both backing up pressure, the combined pressure of two valves may have been too much. So now with no valves, I'm thinking that I'm not going to have any issues, and I was getting a massive whoosh out of the gas cap. Now, no whoosh at all, right? Because I've got nothing to hold the pressure in there. I did checked to see that when I was trying to blow into this line right here, it would not allow me to when the gas cap was on. So I mean, I could probably just do this all over again here. So the gas cap's on. Well, I've clearly got some leaks in this hose right here because I had a different hose on and it was better. But in any case, some of the air will get to the engine. It smells like fuel when I blew into that line. It's because it's letting the vapors out. This is a very blurry video. Oh well. In any case, I believe that I may have gotten to the bottom of this problem.